DIY back with another one of my videos. And today I am showing you guys 5 room decor or just good life hacks to use in your everyday room. If you don't know who I am, my name is How's DIY and I do DIYs on the weekdays and slime videos on the weekend for slime Saturdays and Sundays. Let's get on with the video. First DIY, I'll be making kind of like a room decor, and they're like Orbeez tanks. They look like this when they're finally complete. I'm not sure if you can really see it right now, but you will be able to see it like you saw it in the introduction. So first what I'm going to do is normally Orbeez do come in water. So what I'm going to do is I'm getting a colander and I'm going to drain out the Orbeez. And yeah. With my glass and my Orbeez, I'm simply just going to pour the Orbeez into my glass. We're simply going to add our water into the cup. Your amazing Orbeez decoration. Next DIY, we'll be making like snow globe or lava lamps, whatever you want to call them, for our room. And I'm going to put mine in red. What you'll need is olive oil, food coloring, a container to put it in, most preferably clear so you can see it. 1 teaspoon thing, water, and salt. First, what we will be doing is we will get 1 teaspoon of canola oil and put food coloring in it. Red bowl, because I want to mix them in. Oh, and if you want, optionally, I think a mixing tool should be used. You want to pour that into your bowl, whichever thing you're making it in. Okay, now I'm going to add in some water, and then I'm going to add in some salt. Lava lamp. Watch it disappear and stuff. I'm going to need making something. That's a slime DIY. And it's not making slime, but the DIY in reality is actually putting slime in a really cute place. So how we're going to get started is, if you don't know how to make slime, I will leave a link in the description below telling how to make my good fluffy slime. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to get a big chunk of your fluffy slime. Your choice could be any color. For purposes, I have pink, so I'm going to put it here. And you want to wait for it to settle in to get like all balloons like this. And then you're going to take another slime, which in this occasion, I have this colored slime. And you're simply just going to put it on top of your first slime and try to coat it in to make it look like a Starbucks Frappuccino or any type of Frappuccino, or maybe even a cupcake. And now what you're going to do, so you're going to get a mini straw or cut a big straw in half, and you're going to do it like this. And there you go. Valentine's is just over. We have a lot of candy. What I will be doing is, for this room decor, I was thinking, well, why don't we put our candy into something more, something DIY? So I decided we're going to make a candy rim. So what you'll need is some Valentine treats and some tape. So the first thing you're going to do is take some of your candies and delicious delights and choose where you're going to put them. DIY, we will be making DIY lanterns that you can hang up on your ceiling or really anywhere. The way we're going to start is just a piece of paper and tape, and you'll need later some string and a hole puncher, or you can just punch it out with a pen. So first way we're going to start is we're just going to start folding our paper in little fans shapes, I guess. Like back and forward, like so. Once you are done folding it, once you release it, it should look like this. Kind of like You know those like people that play those like things? Yeah, it kind of looks like that. So now what you're gonna do is with this, you're gonna get some tape and you're gonna tape it around like this. May not look like the lanterns you were hoping for, but they're still lanterns, guys. Now with my lantern, I actually cut it in half because it was pretty long. I'm going to hole punch it both ways and tie it onto the lanyard. Now with your hole punch things, mine have star hole punches, but it doesn't really matter. You're gonna put it through the string. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.